Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming the link and gathering simple diagnostics. Open the link in a second browser and note any error messages. While you do that, disable browser extensions or private browsing add-ons because they often block redirects. Check your network, toggle Wi-Fi or switch networks, and briefly disable VPN or proxy to see if the link loads. Once done, record what changed so you know whether the problem is local or on the server before progressing to deeper fixes. Now dig into browser and system diagnostics. Clear cache and cookies or open an incognito window to rule out stale data because cached redirects can break links. Open the developer console and look for HTTP status codes, mixed content, CORS issues, or JavaScript errors that stop navigation. On your device, flush DNS and if needed, switch to a public resolver like 8 to rule out name resolution. Make incremental tests after each change so you can identify the exact cause. Finish by narrowing scope and applying targeted fixes. Test the same link on another device and a different network. If it opens there, the problem is local to your machine or router. Restart or factory reset the router only as a last resort, then reapply DNS and proxy settings. If the link still fails, contact the site administrator with the exact error, screenshots, and steps you used, because reproducing the failure speeds resolution. And remember, clear replication steps and error codes are the best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.